Hi, it's been a minute. Welcome back to my channel. Sylvia here. So in this channel, we're just a group of people all about making money and loving upon God, basically. We also do Excel and personal finance. So, but I mean, this period, we're just going to go through the journey of getting different ideas on how to make money, different ideas on how to save, different ideas on how to invest, and different ideas on productivity and generally productivity. Yeah. So in this video today, there is just this thing that has been going on for a while, and I got into it like sometime this year. I just think I should share with all of you, but of course, do your own research. So there's a new kid on the block. It's not really a new kid on the block. I'm actually just talking to you today about Enviable Transport. Now, these guys, Enviable, they've been in the system since 2020. The CEO is Chukwuemeka Enviable Ituma. So his story was really one that led somehow. He went to Michael Okpara University of Agriculture in Abia State. He was once an Okada man, then he now started riding keke napep, that's this tricycle. When he was at it, other keke napep riders were just advising him that he should go on to take up the hire purchase business. And so this hire purchase is where you go to someone that owns a keke, then you pay, then you promise the person that you'll be remitting like a certain amount on a weekly basis, and then usually when you pay up to a certain amount, then they can let the keke be yours, and then by then the keke napepe owner has, in quotes, gotten both the capital that he used to invest in the napep and then his profit as well. So people were just advising him to do this, right? And then but he was very skeptical because he was doing school, and then it was going to be difficult for him to manage both of them. But he decided to just try it. And when he started, because he was supposed to be paying like 20,000 naira weekly, but he tried to make it to 30K so that he can do it like very fast and then get the keke for himself. I think that time the keke was about 400K, and then he was supposed to pay like 800K, something like that. But when his master figured that he was always turning in on time and there were no more stories, he had to give him like other keke that he has for him to manage. So he was managing those things for free basically. And then later on, some other people like his lecturer also decided that he can also help him manage the NAPEP, and that was how the whole thing started, right? So even his lecturer was the one that advised him that he charges like 100K to manage this, and then you are just doing it for free, right? And that's how the hire purchase business started off. So what Enviable does for you is it's just a hire purchase scheme. They take the stress off you, the stress of managing a business, the stress of managing this keke napepe or driver, because in the Nigerian structure this is, I even have a friend of mine who at a time bought NAPEP, and we were literally just praying to God all the time for this guy to remit the amount of money. Thank God for her dad. It was still her dad that helped her manage it, right? But the keke NAPEP driver was just a lot of stress. I'm not even sure they still got up to the whole amount, right? So me, I always really wanted to try it out, but the problem of my cast, the keke spoils here, or maybe if it's an Uber rider, because I also thought of getting like an Uber and putting in like in drive or in boat, but I had like a lot of friends tell me a lot of stories. So these guys, what they do is they just find the drivers, and you will bring your keke and invest, right? So you bring your keke or you buy the keke napepe from them, and then they will find you a driver. The only thing that you do is sign some contract and agreement that basically says that they're going to be managing this keke for you from this time to this time, and then at the end of that time, then the keke belongs to them. Because usually how the hire purchase works is that at the end of the managing of the keke, right, the keke napepe will belong to the driver, the keke rider. So that's basically what. So then you now decide, it can be on a weekly pay or on a monthly pay, or you just want a one-off payment. So once you decide on the means of how you want your payment to be done, then they'll start sending in your money to you. So it's really that seamless. So I've been doing it with them for a while. and it's been very stress free. When I actually started off, they didn't have like an office in Lagos, but I see them online, and I know that they now have like lots of offices in different places. Their head office is in Lagos, in VI. They're also in Ebonyi, in Aba, in Umuahia, in Port Harcourt. So they're just at different places. So the package that I did was for the keke, which is 2.5 million naira. They had like a 50,000 naira charges. So let's say 2,550,000 naira is what you will use to purchase the keke for 52 weeks. At the end of the 52 weeks, you get 4 million naira. But now it's been updated now. The keke napep goes for 3.3 million, and then at the end of now 60 weeks, at the end of 60 weeks, you get 5.3 million. Then also they had the Toyota investment, where you'd invest 5.2 million to get 8 million naira in 1 year and 3 months. And then they also have the SUVs, where you invest 20.2 million naira to get 30 million naira in 1 year and 6 months. So, and then they also used to do like the electric cars, which is 26 million to get 36 million in 1 year. And then they had the Toyota Hiace bus, where you have 61.2 million to get 96 million in 14 months. And I know that currently, so just go ahead and go to their page on Instagram. You're going to see like a lot more information that would help you make your plans and know what the current prices are. It's very seamless. You can always reach out to them. So me, I reached out to them. I sent them an email because I really wanted like an email communication, not just WhatsApp. So I sent them an email. So we had like all our communications on email, and all the questions that you have, they are ready to answer you. And the payment has been coming in every Monday as I agreed, because I wanted something weekly, because I was just very scared of a lot of things. I needed something to just watch and track with them, and it's been very seamless. Before you even wake up, most times you get your pay. They now have like an application which I'm going to just open and have you run through it for a while, so that you just see what it looks like. But generally, it's something that you can try. Of course, do your own research. I've tested and I'm beginning to really trust them. I'm also going to try out other options. There is this new one that they have for it's more like a truck. Just a mini truck is about 6.4 million naira, and then in 60 weeks as well. I need to verify and confirm that, but like in 60 weeks you get 10.4 million naira. So it's up to you to decide if you want to get your payment weekly, or you want to get it monthly, or you just want to get like a one-off payment at the end of the investment. When the investment has matured, you can get it. Another thing that I really like to do is to just get like a monthly payment. If you're very, very disciplined, because you might get the monthly payment and you just eat it off, right? You won't even know when you're eating your capital and when you're eating your profit. So what usually works for me is, when you get the money, you can just quickly transfer it into a money market account, right? That can also be putting together and compounding for you more money as you wait for it to like compound or to sum up fully. So currently you have the 3.3 million naira for the keke, and then to get like a 5.3 million at the end of 60 weeks. So what it means is that you get to be paid 88,000 naira weekly, or 88,000 times 4, which will give you 88,000 times 4 is that's 352,000 naira monthly. I saw someone on their page that has started off with 2 keke, and she's now currently at 30 kekes. So this has come to be like a huge investment for her, because she now also says that she doesn't take her investment every month or every week. She just waits till the end of the year and then she rolls it over. So, but all of these are going to be contained in your contract. Like I said, it depends on what you want and how you want it to be, basically, and that's how you're going to run it. So like I said, the CEO is Enviable Ituma, but he's in very strong partnership with Obi Kubana, and Obi Kubana seems to be the chairman, the group CEO, something like that. But he's just in a good partnership with them. You would see Kubana fluttering it on Instagram and just talking like a lot about it. Even before this huge expansion came, Obi Kubana has just been putting in word for him one at a time at different places, right? So please look at it and just check if it's something that works for you. I mean, it's been very good working with them, and I just thought to share with you because that's basically what we do here. I'll be bringing you more investment options. I'll be bringing you more savings ideas. There will be a savings challenge coming up pretty soon, but I'm going to let you know all about it. But till then, let me know in the comment section what you think about it. Let me know in the comment section if there are any investment options that you do. Let's just know, basically. Let's just interact in the comment section. We are here all about making money, and I'm really hopeful for you and for me. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.